story of a 1991 Mitsubishi Montero, rescued from a Southern Oregon backyard for $800. Follow along as I overhaul this old truck into an overland capable machine. Hey, what's up? I'm Aaron. That's my 1991 Mitsubishi Montero. It's got some leaks, it's got some problems, but we're out testing it today and it's a hell of a drive. All right, bud, we gotta get home. First thing, break us down on it. Better get her to home, she's leaking. Just bought it with 206,000 miles on it. Just leaking oil pretty bad out of the driver's side head. So the first step is to get this thing running well. Luckily, there's a pretty good community of people online that build and work on these things. Expedition Portal, Adventure Driven Design, 4x4 Wire is another one. Those are the places I've been getting most of my information. The Montero was able to do everything that I needed it to do. It's a capable off-road machine. It's cheap to work on. Something I can get my hands dirty and do myself. On that note, I am not a mechanic. I've always serviced my own vehicles, bolt-on parts and oil changes, things like that, but I've never really cracked into engine work. So I bought myself a Haynes manual, came in yesterday. We're gonna dig in and see what we can do.